Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we're going to make some cheesy pasta with chicken meatballs. I thought this would be kind of fun, so give me a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to start with the seasoning for the chicken meatballs. We're using some Goya seasoning, some ground sage, some cumin, some ground thyme, 1 egg, and a can of chicken breast. This makes it pretty easy. I mean, you can find this in the grocery store next to the can of tuna and Spam and stuff like that. If you don't want to use canned chicken, you can use ground chicken, and you can also cook your own chicken breast and ground them up or whatever you like to do, but I thought this would be easier. So you're going to add all your seasonings inside of your bowl, crack your egg in there, and mix all of your ingredients together. And the egg is going to be a binder, so that while your chicken is cooking, it'll stay together. I'm getting my husband to help me out with this video. Couples that cook together stay together, so give us a thumbs up with love. But you're going to form your meatballs. He's using his hands, but you can use a scoop or a cup or something if you want to make it uniform. But you can just estimate, how big you want your chicken balls to be. How big they are depends on how long they cook, so just keep that in mind. To the side here, I have some roasted peppers and onions that I've roasted earlier, and you have to let them cook, because you're gonna peel the skin off and everything, but they're sitting in a marinade. And then I have some penne that I'm cooking. I cook it for about 15 minutes or so until it becomes al dente. I also have some bacon that I am cooking, and I'm making sure to render the fat from the bacon. I want this bacon to be crispy but not burnt, so cook it low and slow and take your time. Once the fat is rendered from the bacon, I'm going to actually use that to cook my chicken balls, and I'm just pan searing them, but you can deep fry them if you want to. But since I'm pan searing, I'm just going to flip them until they get golden brown, then flip it again, and then I cook it on each side. And again, this is on low, and I'm still rendering the fat from the bacon. That's why it's in the pan, because I want it to be crispy. Once the chicken balls are done and they're GBD, or golden brown and delicious, we're going to let them rest on a paper towel just to get some of that oil off. You're going to do the same exact thing with the bacon once it's crispy. And you're just going to let that sit, so when you add it to the pasta, the pasta's not all oily. And here's just a nice picture of it, looking good and tasting amazing, by the way. After the pasta's done, you're going to drain it and keep some of the pasta water in. I added Velveeta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and cheddar cheese to the pasta. I didn't use milk or cream this time, but you can if you like. Some people don't agree with Velveeta cheese. They say it's processed cheese, it's not real cheese, but I like it. It makes whatever cheese sauce I'm making creamy, because mozzarella cheese and cheddar are very stringy, so it binds it together for me. After the cheese sauce is all mixed together, I'm going to add the bacon and the vegetables. They were cut up. And I'm going to add all that and mix everything together. Make sure you check the description box for the recipe. It's going to be on my blog. I update my blog every day, so this recipe will be there. Make sure you check it out. And look how delicious that's looking. You want to cook everything on low. Once the cheese sauce is done, you want to turn the heat off. And then when you plate it up, you can make it fun. We're just going to add the chicken balls on top so they don't lose their crispiness in the pasta. But look how good that looks. This is so fun and easy to cook. It was under 30 minutes. Took no time at all. And we're just gonna do a little mini mukbang here. Let me know if you guys like this, because I get requests to do mukbangs all the time. So Give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. But as you can see by the thumbs up, it was delish. So if you guys end up trying this, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe again and hit that bell button. Share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.